Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus 4th chapter geometry. Exercise 4.6. Draw 6th sum is draw a right triangle whose hypotenuse is 10 centimeter and one of the legs is 8 centimeter. Locate its incenter and also draw the incircle. So we will draw the rough diagram first. It is given as a right angle triangle. So ABC is a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. So that is AC is 10 centimeter and one of the legs is 8 centimeter. So we will take BC as 8 centimeter. So this is the rough diagram for the triangle. Now we will construct the original triangle. So first BC, we will take BC as 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter, we will take BC as 8 centimeter and then construct an angle of 90 degree with B as center. So with B as center, we will take 90 degree. So 90 degree. Then hypotenuse is given as 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter will take with C. So we'll cut an arc to get the vertex A. So AC is the hypotenuse with 10 centimeter. So we have constructed the triangle with the given measurements. Then we are asked to locate its incenter. So for locating the incenter, we need to construct the angle bisectors. So we'll construct angle bisectors for any two sides. So for C, I'm constructing angle bisector. You know how to construct angle bisector. So this is the angle bisector line for C. Angle bisector. Then for B, angle bisector. So this is the angle bisector for B. So this is the incenter for the given triangle. So this is the incenter for the given triangle. So we'll draw perpendicular bisector so that we'll get the perpendicular bisector for this point. We'll construct to know the radius of the circle. So perpendicular bisector we got. Then, so this point is the incenter. So we'll mark it as I. So IB with so this perpendicular bisector where it meets BC, we'll make it as D. So with ID as radius, we'll draw circle such that that circle will be inside this triangle. So ID, taking ID as radius, we'll construct a circle. So we have constructed a circle with ID as radius. So this is how you will get a circle. So we have asked to construct a triangle first, then locate the incenter. by the intersection of the angle bisectors, we got the incenter. Then we'll draw a perpendicular line from the incenter to any one side of the triangle. Then that measurement will be the radius for the circle that we'll be drawing inside the triangle. Okay, thank you.